Welcome back to this tutorial. In this final video, we are going to add the night's sky. Go to your file location and drag in this image. Let's flip it. That looks better. It's a little noisy, so let's fix this. Go up to Camera Raw Filter. Under Details, bring up Noise Reduction, and do the same for Color Noise Reduction. Now create a layer mask and invert it. Grab the gradient tool. Let's drag it down from here to somewhere around here. We don't want it over our blazer, so go to Path and hit Alt and click, or Command click for Mac, on our silhouette path to create a selection. And start painting it away. Let's remove it from our ground. Bring down our brush opacity and let's start blending the sky more. Let's remove some of it from the city. Blending in the sky some more. Whoops, let's put that back. This looks pretty good. Now duplicate the sky layer. It's a little strong, so bring down the opacity some. Let's make sure we remove anything that might be over our sun. Make some more adjustments here. All right, let's make sure we don't have anything on our blazer. Go to our silhouette path and create a selection. We're just removing anything that might have gotten on it. Do the same to the other sky layer. Let's create one last hue saturation adjustment layer and desaturate the city so it blends into the night sky better. That looks a lot better. Let's adjust the opacity of the night sky and see how it looks. I like that better. Let's do some more blending in the sky area. Remove anything that we might have painted on our blazer. That looks great. Now we should probably blur the stars. It doesn't make sense for them to be in focus while the city isn't. Make sure you blur the other sky layer. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable along the way. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, I will see you in the next one.